Flexors of the digits. Firstly, flexor digitorum superficialis. Origin: medial epicondyle of the humerus, medial border of the coronoid process of ulna, anterior oblique line of the shaft of the radius. Insertion: the muscle divides into 4 tendons. Each tendon divides into 2 slips which are inserted on the sides of the middle pharynx of the second to the fifth digits. Nerve supply. Nerve. Actions: flexes the middle phalanx of the fingers and assists the flexing proximal phalanx and the wrist joint. Now the flexor digitorum profundus. Origin: upper 3/4 of the anterior and the medial surface of the shaft of the ulna, upper 3/4 of the posterior border of ulna, medial surface of the olecranon and coronoid process of ulna, adjoining part of the anterior surface of the interosseous membrane. Insertion: the muscle forms 4 tendon for the medial 4 digits which enter the palm, passing deep to the flexor retinaculum of the ulnar bursa and the digital synovial sheath. Medial half of the ulnar nerve and lateral half by the anterior interosseous nerve. Action: flexor of the distal phalanx after the flexor digitorum superficialis has flexed the middle phalanges. Now the flexor pollicis longus. Origin: upper 3/4 of the anterior surface of the shaft of the radius, adjoining part of the anterior surface of the interosseous membrane. Insertion: the tendon enters a palm by passing deep to the flexor retinaculum. It is inserted into the palmar surface of the distal phalanx of the thumb. Nerve supply. Anterior interosseous nerve. Action: flexes the distal phalanx of the thumb. Continued action may also flex the proximal joint crossed by the tendon.